Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the essentials so you don't chase phantom problems. Confirm your plan is active and there's no carrier outage. Once done, toggle airplane mode on for about 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh radios. Next, restart the phone. This clears temporary network stacks and cached settings. You're doing these steps first because they often fix most issues quickly. If data still fails, move on to deeper settings changes. Now you'll reset network settings to remove corrupt profiles and bad APN entries. First, back up any Wi-Fi passwords because this reset erases saved networks and Bluetooth pairings. Then go to Settings, find Reset Network Settings, or Transfer/Reset, and confirm the phone reboots. Once it restarts, make sure the carrier's APN applied automatically. If not, manually enter the APN values from your carrier's support page. This step fixes misconfigured or lingering profile conflicts that block cellular data. Finish by verifying the SIM and carrier level settings because hardware or provisioning often causes failure. Eject the SIM, check for bends, dirt, or corrosion, then reseat it firmly. Try a known working spare SIM to isolate the phone versus account. Next, install any pending carrier setting updates and the phone's OS updates. They include critical radio fixes. If data still doesn't work, contact your carrier for a network refresh or replacement SIM. This resolves account provisioning and tower side blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.